Dear students, this is Devs Academy. You must subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Today we are doing the same chapter, namely GST, Goods and Services Tax. It is Commercial Mathematics for ICSE class 10. The first question is Messrs. R. Traders in Delhi provided the following service to Messrs. G. Traders Company in Agra, UP. Find the amount of bill. Number of services is respectively 8, 12, 10, 16, and cost of each according to their number of services is 680, 320, 260 and 420 rupees, and GST percent according to the corresponding services is 5%, 12%, 8% and 12%. This is question. Since the transaction is from Delhi to Agra, that is, it's a case of interstate transaction. So GST equal to IGST. The whole of GST will be levied by the central government. And now the solution. The solution according to the given table, number of services. The first one is 8 services, cost of each is rupees 80. The total cost of services equal to 680 into 8 equal to rupees 5440, and GST at 5% equal to rupees 272, and total cost CP equal to the CP plus GST, which is 5712. Next, service number of services is 12 and cost of each is rupees 320. So total cost equal to 320 into 12, that is 3840, and GST at 12% is rupees 460.80, and total with GST equal to rupees 4300.80. And next, 10 services of each rupees 260, and total cost is 2600. GST at 18% equal to 468 rupees, and total CP, that is cost price plus GST, which is 3068 rupees. The fourth one, service is 16, and now rupees for each equal to 420. Therefore, total cost price of 16 services equal to rupees 6720. GST at 12% equal to 8060.40, and total bill amount is rupees 20,607.20. This was the first question. The second question, for the following, find the amount of bill data. Only they have given the data. This blue part is in question and the black part answered. It is in black part, in black ink. Rate per piece equal to 18 rupees. Number of pieces 360. Discount 10%. GST 12%. Similarly, as before, we have find out the discounted price. As because discount is 10%, therefore discounted percent will be 90. 100 minus 10, that is 90%. 90% of rupees 18 into 360 piece, which is rupees 5832, and GST at 12% is equal to rupees 699.84. Again, rate per P is equal to rupees 12. number of pieces 480, and discount is 20%, GST 18%. Here also the charged price, that is discounted price, is subtracting 20, it is 80%. 80% of rupees 12 into 480 pieces, which is 4,680, and GST is 829.44. It is 18%. Next, rate per piece is 12 and number of pieces is 20. Discount is 5%. So discounted percent will be 100 minus 5, that is 95% into 12 into 120, which is rupees 1,368, and GST on rupees 1,368 equal to 164.16, and rate per piece is 28, number of pieces is 150. Therefore discounted percent is given, discount percent is 20 and GST is 28%. Since discount is 20%, therefore discounted, which is charged, is 80%. 80 into 28 into 50 pieces equal to rupees 3,360, and 28% GST on 3,360 equal to 940.80. Therefore total CP will be like this: 15,168, and total GST equal to 2,634.24. Therefore total amount of bill will be sum of these two, which is rupees 17,802.24. It is given that question part is in blue and answer part is in black ink. Next, the tax invoice of a telecom service in Meerut shows cost of service provided by it as rupees 750. If the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of bill. Since it is a intrastate transaction, so the CST and GST will be 9% and 9% correspondingly. Since the GST is given 18%, GST is given 18%, so they will be 9% and 9%. The cost of service is rupees 750 and 9% GST on rupees 750 equal to 67.50, and SGST also is rupees 67.50. So total, and IGST is 0. Total amount of bill will be rupees 885.00. This is answer. Next, Mr. Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. Remember that this amount rupees 900 is SGST. Therefore CGST will also be rupees 900. Remember this. And the question is, find the total annual premium including GST paid by him for this policy. The rate of GST being 18%. This is a case of intrastate transaction, and SGST equal to CGST equal to rupees 900. Therefore total GST will be 900 plus 900, that is 1800. The 1800 of the on the policy is rupees 18% on the policy, 18% on the policy is rupees 800. Therefore the policy is rupees 10,000, and total annual premium with GST equal to the policy plus GST, which is rupees 11800, that is 11,800. Question number 5. Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. He took room in a hotel for 2 days at the rate of rupees 500 per day. On the same day, his friend also joined him. Hotel provided an extra bed charging rupees 1,000 per day for the bed. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill? The first one is the charge rupees 5,000 for 2 days. they will charge 5,000 into 2, that is 10,000. And next 1,000 per day charge for 2 days will be 2,000. And total bed charge will be 10,000 plus 2,000, that is 12,000. GST at the rate of 14%, as because it is intrastate, therefore CGST and GST will be different, will be same, though they will be charged on different column. And it is rupees 1,680 for each. CGST is also 1,680 and SGST is also 14%, that is rupees 1,680. Therefore GST charged by the hotel will be rupees 1,680 plus 1,680, which is 3,360 only. Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80. As a ticket for rupees 80 was not available to purchase, he purchased a ticket for rupees 120. How much extra GST he paid for the ticket? GST for a ticket below rupees 100 is 18% and GST for a ticket above rupees 100 is 28%. GST on ticket rupees 80, which is below rupees 100, is 14.40, and GST on a ticket or for 120, which is 120 is greater than 100 rupees 100, therefore it is 28%, is rupees 33.60. Therefore the extra GST he must pay, which is rupees 33.60 minus 14.40, which is 19.20. Remember, from next class, the ITC, input tax credit, will be discussed in the next following classes. Follow my class and ask questions to be solved at ease. Always insist on Dev's Academy. Besides, for class 10, trigonometry, quadratic equations, mensuration have already been discussed and solved in the previous classes. Follow all these, and if you have got any question, you may send in my comment box. Thank you today. That's all.